first C program ra print hello world to sadia ton now adira print hello world kai program hai ni lui kanang di return 0 and semicolon now line by line ke explain into receive but program ma kan an accept to is no first let's say hello no editor lo to the adira an lui lawa to ar kai type to laga dira. Now another one is what? Compiler. Compiler hai kin ara wa si haw rawa. So this acts as a IDE. No. Compile test to ni. You go to the execute and first row compile to rilak no run to kanang di program hai ni save to khumok put we nang de hey te run to na result one to ko da so. No kai pa mai wa thumok to. So first every time kani compile hanto bilak compile to ne key shortcut key ni F9 okay aro ai error ko le na gar wa to okay aro wa to ate so number of errors are 0 ra and warnings key 0 later no that means our program is perfectly fine. Now we can run it aro error ning warning le nang hai ka sim chu da gar wait no first row I calling as if now go to run and shortcut key for run is F10 okay see this is the output hello world to what was it value 0 to continue murato ne and this is the compilation time no run to ne time to run I changko matam hai dir I matam kan number of lines say ni program hai ni katang le lim mai laudio matam si laudi laktewa press any key to continue okay okay adira no this is the first program si program ni quite some it's an every kai teaching ra programming had the example low is to here first okan ani si low reels no standard way ni no adiro some to the so to ko makura now aro line by line haning yong rest to no first this is the line number no it's line number to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 no hai ni ko na ara the error lay nang di ko line the error lay to se ta line number hai tha to tiawa so hai number what to say as line number oi tiawa okay and the first line adi comment lay ra line number 1 ra di this is the comment so compiler ne r line r comment to ra pe ani drilla r yu pa khom ka do this is only for the kai programmers no kai muma ninkan ki kai program hai awa thui do mi hai ni mun thlira now line number 2 ra has include to ase a line awa ka ni preprocessor to mudus no aro kini comment pitho astone comment ne use to the others no line by line hai ko ni way ko wa ta ke no hai ya kan explain to na no yawa single line comment this we call as predirectives or preprocessors to mudus no so hai takni ko to kanang di standard input output dot header to ase drilla kani header to ai tongani program already ye lak pai lai rawa no already ye lak pai lai ra hai program hai se include you to lu to ni lo aro hai directive pa hai predirectives to no standard input output dot header to ase drilla program hai code tongani coding e la koi number of lines of codes e la koi lai rawa what for to are printf hello world to ase printf to asani printf to ani ko wa to ni way to hai se so what for this printf is to hai se arokani standard input output dot header to asa program chara yer taklak pai describe to rok lai rawa no hai taklak describe to rok lai ko program hai ya kai program or of you include you to pilo to nei darkar oi ne a printf nang use to lai to nei darkar oi ne ha include you to pilo to just suno ko ni lawa hai ni lui lawa okay hai ni makanang di nang ni a use lo to ma kai sto use to ma kai sto ko nang di to printf hai to dio lo ma khai hai coding bai sa aro in terms of number of lines nang na e le nai sa ne ni manual e thora dawa okay similarly example at oi ni lo kai sun ko sa aro no include math.h no math.h to any example akani ta ara kai program hai ra we are going to use mathematical simple way addition subtraction hai ni mak ni no exponential ni mak ni kan ki power no exponential power highly mathematical calculation involved to so hai na ka arithmetic hai na ka operation hai use to kan di you have to include this header file math.h okay hai di ra to are kai dark main function drill rai to your dio lo hai makha polo ra kai thakra include to header file lai no so for a simple input output no kai are hai tha thu tio hello world this is an output no hello world to hai tha thu to ne haron kan example keyboard ra enter any two numbers to kanang di number kintam entry to do anto ne no hai ero kan input oini lo to do aron ka are hai tha thu ne hai ni output oini lo to dewa no and this is the most simple no most frequently used function thata function rule hai they are included in standard input output header file that's why a preprocessor adi kyamon compile yamon soya yam ko any programmer no and the rest will like header file hai kai requirement matung ni kan lak tewa so a header file adi this is the most standard and most commonly frequently used so ahati langnya makra mathang roni integer no int this means int to ka waya to lanti int means integer any main to the any function hey this is the name of the function no main to any name of the function and function hey name hilra open and close first bracket later one and hey thang roni this starts the function okay and this ends the closes the function no int lak ni maram mani ko khuto banande kani main function hai r yaula pani lak ri lai apro line of code da ni execute matang yan to yaro the last row return 0 to say return 0 to ako 0 is an integer I 0 a main function nang return to dewa hai ero main function hai I treat to dewa diko the program has executed successfully to like treat to dewa this will be the indicator this line will act as the indicator that the program executes successfully third program no example in this line no a line arrow ka ni mistake hat lai ran to klase so we forget to put this semicolon okay hai nang di a line row error hat encounter to lo compiler hai ni no semicolon hai thengna makra be there is an error so the compiler cannot reach this line return to line a yongda sang maka dewo r line arrow error lai ra be arrow execute to arrow r line arrow yongda sang maka be the compiler won't return 0 so it may return any other value no but not 0 that's why the main function will treat that the program doesn't execute successfully to indicate to the okay